Are we grabbing onto the cones and touching the cones so that we can't be a helper? Or do we leave the cones alone? Okay, cool. And teachers, I'm going to be doing my behavior management, which is pre-framing and giving auditory and visual cues so you can get a feel for it. So if you're listening, hands in the air. Everybody ready? Run, 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 run. Gator! Sleep gator! I like the way you rolled over your back. I like the way you rolled over your back. Run! Run, 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 run. Sing! Sleeping sing! Sing! Run! Run, run, run. Gator! Sleeping gator! Run! Sing! Sleeping sing! Run! Gator! Are you guys okay if they're a little tired? Run! Gator! Run! Sing! Run! Peanut butter jelly sandwiches! Freeze! If you're listening, hands in the air. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, sit crisscross, go! I like the way you're sitting crisscross. I like the way you're sitting crisscross. Do I want you laying on your belly or sitting crisscross? Okay, good. So now,